Lecture 8, Working with Text and Titles. Have you ever watched a video without titles or captions and felt something was missing? Text and titles give context, emphasize key points, and make your video more professional. Whether it's a movie opening with bold credits, a YouTube video with catchy titles, or a school project with labeled sections, text is what guides your audience. In this lecture, we will learn how to use Filmora's text and title tools to add clarity and style to your projects. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to add text and titles to your video projects in Filmora, customize fonts, colors, and animation styles. Use text strategically to communicate clearly without cluttering the screen. Create professional looking title sequences and captions. Why text and titles matter? Text is more than decoration, it's information. Titles can introduce a topic or speaker, provide clarity such as dates, locations, or names, reinforce branding with consistent fonts and styles, improve accessibility with captions or subtitles. Practical example. Imagine you are creating a campus event video. Without it, viewers might not know the event's name or date. A simple title card fixes the problem instantly. Adding text and titles in Filmora. Go to Titles panel on the left side of Filmora. For example, you can just click in here. In this tab, you can just click in here. Here you have trending titles, title effects, and title templates as well. But you can browse through categories like openers, lower thirds, subtitles, or end credits. For example, you just want to go with openers and click in here. Here you can see you have multiple templates that you can use. For example, you just want to go with this one or this one, or you can just your title here as well. So for example, you just want to go with, like, there are multiple ones. So for example, for now you can just go with this one. So click in here to download this. And here you can see you have a title card in here, and you can just drag it on the screen, drag it to the left. And when you just play this video, here it comes. And to edit the title, you can just double click on that and write in here as giggles and wiggles. And for that, you can just live in take care. So for example, this is the title when you just play this video again. So this is how it comes. So this is the title that you have chosen. You can choose any of these, but for now we're going with this one. Example, if you're editing an interview, you might use a lower third to display the person's name and role. Customizing text. Filmora allows plenty of creative flexibility. Font style and size. Choose fonts that match your video's tone. For example, a bold font for a sports video, or a clean, minimal font for a presentation. To change that, you can just click in here, go to text, and here you can change the font style as per the video requirement. For example, you can choose any of these, and you can choose, for example, we just go with this one, but we have to reduce the size. For that, you can just click in here, and for example, you just go with, I think 44 will be better, or 48. Yeah, 48 will be better, I guess. Color and effects. Adjust colors for readability. Add shadows or outlines if text overlaps with a busy background. But if you just want to change the color, so you can just click in here and click in here to change the color. For example, you just want to go with a bright one or a dark one as background is light, so you can just go with this one or this one as well. You can add shadows and strokes if the background is busy, but you can just test if it works, so you can just go with any of these. But for example, you just go with this one or this one. Animations. Make text fade in, slide, or zoom to add energy. As we have already used a template which just slides in, so for example, when you just play this video and with full screen, so when you just play this, and here you can see. Practical example. In a travel vlog, you could animate city names, so they slide onto the screen as you show each new location. Best practices for text in videos. Keep it short. Avoid long paragraphs. Text should complement visuals, not replace them. Prioritize readability. Use high contrast colors to make text stand out. Stay consistent. Use the same fonts and styles throughout a project to maintain professionalism. Place strategically. Don't cover important visuals. Use corners or blank spaces. Text and titles are the voice of your video's visuals. They clarify, emphasize, and guide the audience. When used thoughtfully, they transform a simple video into a polished, professional story that's easy to follow and hard to forget.